Tom Hilde, congratulations for today's result. Now the next competition will be the Four Hills. Who's your favorite? Who do you think is going to win the Four Hills?
Of course, I'm believing in myself, but I haven't been that strong so far this season. The Austrians are showing a really good shape now, so I will expect the two Austrians on the podium today to be at least fighting for the victory there.
Thank you very much. And to be honest, what do you expect from yourself? You think you can be in the top 10?
I'm expecting to continue where I am now. My good jumps are really good now, and I just need some more of them. And then the Four Hills is a difficult competition. It's over 4 competitions and many jumps, so I don't think I'm constant enough to win the whole thing, but let's see, everything can happen.
Thank you very much, Tom. All the best.